chances are, if you're a videographer, you have to deal with shaky footage, and it's not fun to have to deal with it. But today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a fix to making your shaky footage look actually smooth. And there's actually 2 ways you can go ahead and do it. But before we go ahead and get into that, I want to let you guys know that my name is Boustedt and I run the Takeover Shop. It's editing assets and presets for content creators just like you. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started in today's tutorial. Okay, so here is the footage of one of my homies, Grayson. This is handheld, and to be fair, this footage is actually pretty smooth for being handheld, but it could also be a little bit smoother. So the first way inside of Adobe Premiere Pro is just honestly going up to the warp stabilizer and just drag and dropping it onto the footage. Now it's going to analyze the footage, and then when it is done, the footage will be smooth. So we're going to go and play through. And that literally looks like it's done on a gimbal. But say you don't want the warp stabilizer because it just takes too long or whatever. Another way you can do it is you just right click and then you go to speed and duration. And then if you shot in slow-mo, like you shot 60 FPS in a 30p or in a 30 frame timeline, then you can actually slow it down by half, and the speed will actually be slower, but because it is slower, the handheld shakes aren't as noticeable. So I'm honestly a big fan of slowing things down, especially when it is B-roll. It just makes it look so much better. But anyways, guys, that is it for today's tutorial. If you guys want to go ahead and learn more about content creation, watch this video here on screen. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.